Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to show you how to use this website, the CommentSold, to sell products through live sales and social media. So if you are a business owner looking to automate sales on Facebook, Instagram, and your own website, this tutorial is for you. So what is this website, guys? So this is an automated selling platform that allows business to sell products via live video and social media comments. So when the customers comment with a specific keyword, the comment sold automatically generates invoices, tracks inventory, and complete the sale. So on signing up for comment sold, to get started guys, you just need to go to comment sold and sign up for an account. So you'll need to enter your business name, email, and the payment details. So after signing up, you'll be taken to the dashboard. But here guys, of course, if you are new, you need to book a demo here. So as you can see here, and you need to wait for like 1 to 3 business days. So let's try to explore this one. So on connecting your social media accounts guys, to sell on social media, you need to connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. So here's how. On your main dashboard, you just need to go to their settings and look for social accounts in the CommentSold dashboard. And there you can click Connect Facebook and log in with your business page credentials. And then do the same for Instagram if you want to enable Instagram shopping. And then once connected guys, the website will sync your products with your social media pages. And uploading products guys, now let's add products to your store. On uploading guys, you just need to click on the products on your dashboard and then go there and select add product and upload images, descriptions, and then of course the pricing. So set up inventory tracking so you never oversell the items. So you need to assign a unique keyword for each product, like sold 101 or buy now red dress. And on setting up automated invoicing and payments, so one of the best features of this website is automated invoicing. So when a customer comments with a purchase keyword, the system generates an invoice automatically to enable payments. So there you need to go to settings and then look for payments, connect your PayPal, Stripe, or either your Square account, and set up auto reminders for unpaid invoices. So this one guys, this ensures a smooth checkout process for your customers. And on going live with CommentSold guys, you just need to click on their live sale. So on their dashboard, you need to select the products you want to feature, start your live video on Facebook or Instagram, and then as viewers comment with sold product number, the website automatically invoices them. So engage with viewers, answers questions, and make it fun guys. So the more engagement guys, the more sales you'll generate. And on creating a comment sold guys on your mobile app, you just need to go to your web store in your settings and then customize your store's branding. And then launch your store and direct customers to shop there. And on tracking orders and customer management, you just need to go to click orders. And that's how you use CommentSold to sell products online. If you found this tutorial helpful, give them a thumbs up. Bye!